Large language models, or LLMs for short, have taken the world by storm. These remarkable AI systems can generate human-quality text on virtually any topic, given just a few starting words. They can answer your questions in an informative way, summarize factual topics, or create stories with specific themes. And if you're thinking, how is this even possible? Well, the answer is data and more data. LLMs are trained on massive text datasets, and through this training, they learn the intricacies of language, how words relate to each other, how sentences are structured, and how different pieces of information fit together. This deep understanding of language allows them to generate coherent, contextually relevant responses that can be up to 1,000 words long. That is truly mind-blowing. These models are not just for fun. They have the potential to revolutionize how we use language. Imagine having an AI assistant that can help you write emails, generate summaries of complex documents, or even help you brainstorm ideas. The possibilities are really endless. But how do these models work under the hood? Well, let's take a peek inside. LLMs are built using deep learning algorithms, specifically a type called a transformer. This type of algorithm is particularly good at handling sequential data like text, where the order of things matters a lot. What makes transformers special is something called attention. This is basically the ability to focus on the most important parts of the input text when making a prediction. For example, if you ask the model to summarize a long passage, attention allows it to focus only on the key parts of the text rather than getting lost in the details. So how do these models get trained? Well, they are fed massive amounts of text data, and then they learn by predicting the next word in a sequence. For example, if the input is the cat in the hat, the model will predict the next word is in based on its understanding of the English language and how words typically follow each other. Through this process, the model learns to generate text that flows naturally and makes sense in context. One of the most popular LLMs is GPT-3, developed by OpenAI. This model is a powerhouse trained on over 45 terabytes of data pulled from various internet sources. It can generate realistic and coherent text on a wide range of topics, answer questions based on a given context, and even adapt its writing style to match a particular author or genre. Another notable LLM is LaMDA, developed by Google. This model is particularly good at generating dialogue-based interactions, making it ideal for chatbots or virtual assistants. It has been trained on a massive dataset of conversations and can generate responses that are not only relevant, but also natural and engaging. These models are not without their limitations, though. One of the main challenges is that they can be difficult to fine-tune for specific tasks. For example, while GPT-3 is a general-purpose LLM, it may not be the best choice for a specialized task like generating legal documents. In this case, you may need to fine-tune the model on a smaller dataset of legal text to make it more accurate and reliable. Another challenge is that LLMs can be slow to respond, especially if the input text is long or complex. This is because processing and generating text takes time, especially when dealing with the massive number of words and phrases that these models have been trained on. Despite these challenges, LLMs are a rapidly evolving field with new breakthroughs happening all the time. As these models continue to improve, we can expect them to play an increasingly important role in our lives. Who knows? Maybe one day they will be able to help us with all kinds of tasks, from writing to research to entertainment. The possibilities are truly endless. Thanks for watching till the end, and I'll see you in the next one. Till then, keep learning.